Merhabalar, ben Sercan. Welcome back to your Turkish journey. Today, we're going to talk about the dative case in more detail, and we're going to talk about the dative case of the nouns. Let's remember the dative case suffixes first. They are e and a depending on the vowel harmony. These are vowels. This means depending on to which words these suffixes are attached to, there might be a buffer letter in between the suffix and the word. In addition, we can expect a consonant mutation as well, since these suffixes are vowels. Vowel harmonies and consonant mutation rules are fundamental concepts in Turkish. If you don't know them, you can check the link in the description below. This case is used to indicate the indirect object of the sentence or the recipient of the action. It shows to whom, for whom, or to what, for what something is done. The dative case suffixes usually correspond to English prepositions at, to, towards, into, on, and for. You can think about the dative case as motion towards condition as well. There's a kind of motion towards the nouns to which the dative case suffix is attached. For example, elma yere düştü. Elma yere düştü. In this sentence, the action is towards the ground. Because of that, the word yer receives the dative case suffix and it becomes the indirect object of the sentence. Kediye süt verdim. Kediye süt verdim. In this sentence, the action is done for the cat, or the action is done towards the cat. That is why the cat, kedi, receives the dative case suffix e. Kediye süt verdim. Kedi ends in a vowel, and our suffix is e. It's a vowel as well. Because of that, we need a buffer letter in between. Kediye süt verdim. Kediye süt verdim. Kitaba bakıyorum. Kitaba bakıyorum. In this sentence, kitap is the indirect object of the sentence, and it receives the dative case suffix a according to the vowel harmony. Kitap ends in p. When we attach a suffix that begins in a vowel, p changes to b because of the consonant mutation rule. Therefore, we say kitaba, kitaba. Yarın köye gideceğiz. Yarın köye gideceğiz. In this sentence, again, the action is done towards the village, köy. Therefore, köy receives the dative case suffix. Yarın köye gideceğiz. Eve her hafta çiçek alırız. Eve her hafta çiçek alırız. In this sentence, buying flowers is done for the house. Literally, it is done towards the house. Because of that, ev receives the dative case suffix. You may wonder why we do not use için in this sentence. İçin. İçin means for in Turkish. Actually, it is possible to use it as well, but in this case, you will not need the dative case suffix anymore. Ev için her hafta çiçek alırız. Ev için her hafta çiçek alırız. This literally means we buy flowers for the house every week. Eti dondurucuya koyalım. Eti dondurucuya koyalım. Here again, The action is done towards the freezer. Dondurucu. Therefore, dondurucu receives the dative case suffix together with the buffer letter. Arabayı tamirciye götürdün mü? Arabayı tamirciye götürdün mü? In this sentence, we see the accusative case and the dative case at the same time. The action, taking the car, is done towards the repair shop. Tamirci. So, tamirci is the indirect object of the sentence. Therefore, it receives the dative case suffix. What is taken to the repair shop is the car. And it is a specific car. Because of that, it receives the accusative case suffix and becomes the definite direct object of the sentence. Arabayı tamirciye götürdün mü? Now, let's see more examples. Bu akşam sinemaya gidelim mi? Bu akşam sinemaya gidelim mi? Çocuğa bir hediye aldım. Çocuğa bir hediye aldım. Pazarlamaya e-posta gönderdim. Pazarlamaya e-posta gönderdim. Öğretmene teşekkür ettim. Öğretmene teşekkür ettim. Bebeğe sıcak su hazırlayacağım. Bebeğe sıcak su hazırlayacağım. Mesaja hızlı bir şekilde cevap verdi. Mesaja hızlı bir şekilde cevap verdi. Sokaktaki köpeğe yemek vermişsin. Teşekkürler. Sokaktaki köpeğe yemek vermişsin. Teşekkürler. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. See you in the next videos. Görüşmek üzere.